Luxury living starts here. Welcome to the Ridgewood in Aurora, Ontario. From the saltwater pool to the fitness center with sauna and steam room, this place feels like a private resort. And just wait until you see this suite. This is Suite 128, a rare ground floor corner unit with bungalow-style living with over 1,600 square feet inside, plus a massive 500 square foot private terrace, 10-foot ceilings, 2+1 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, engineered hardwood flooring throughout, a cozy fireplace. This suite checks all the boxes. Check out this fully updated kitchen with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and this huge island. Make sure you come check it out before this one is gone.